A stop order is a type of order that can be used to limit potential losses or lock in profits when trading on the Robinhood platform. It is an instruction to sell a security when it falls to a certain price, known as the stop price. When the stop price is reached, the stop order becomes a market order and is executed at the next available price. To set a stop order on Robinhood, navigate to the detail page of the stock you want to trade. Then tap Trade and select Stop Limit or Stop Market. Enter the stop price and the limit price if you choose Stop Limit. Then confirm the order. The key difference between a stop limit and a stop market order is how the order is executed once the stop price is reached. A stop limit order will only be executed at the limit price or better, while a stop market order will be executed at the next available price. For example, if you own 10 shares of a stock currently trading at $50 and you set a stop loss order at $45, if the stock falls to $45, the stop order will be triggered and the stock will be sold at the next available price. This can help limit your potential losses if the stock continues to fall. Best practices for using stop orders include setting a stop price that is reasonable based on the stock's volatility and trading volume, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your stop orders as market conditions change. It is also important to consider the risks of using stop orders, including the possibility of the order being triggered by temporary market fluctuations. In conclusion, a stop order can be a useful tool for managing risk and locking in profits when trading on Robinhood. But it is essential to understand how it works and use it effectively to achieve your investment goals. By following these steps and considering the key concepts and best practices outlined, you can use stop orders to help you make more informed investment decisions.